Hello guys, today Danny Boy is going to teach you how to DIY the most popular healthy drink in 2021. No sugar, no salt, no artificial coloring, and 100% naturally made. The ingredients that you need are 1 bottle of plain water, 1 sachet of Atomy Hemohim, 1 stick of vitamin C, and 1 stick of probiotic. These ingredients are available in Atomy online shopping mall. For those Muslims who are fasting, you can take this as well because it's 100% halal certified. So now I'm going to demo how to DIY the most popular healthy drinks in 2021. If you want to know the function of each ingredient, please stay until the end of this video to know more. Mission accomplished. Tastes good and is suitable for all people from different ages, different genders, and different races. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. Let's have a look on the healthy function of each supplement. Do you feel that this supplement is very good? Which one would you select between a bottle of the most popular healthy drinks in 2021 and a bottle of milk tea?